Hello and welcome back to Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video I will tell you how you can scan your Bluehost account so you can see if there is any malware or any virus in your Bluehost account. So I have already created one video so using that you can scan your WordPress websites. So you can search for scan, and here you can see how to remove malware from WordPress website. So here I have created a complete course on how you can secure your website and remove any vulnerabilities. So if you want to scan your Bluehost complete account, then you can just click on this live chat button, and here you will need to click on start a new chat. So the Bluehost team uses software that will generate a scan report and it will be shown in your file manager. So to do that you just need to contact them and you need to ask them to scan your complete Bluehost account. So here you can click on support for existing product. Here you can choose website security, and here you can choose malware. So here you can see they have provided us an article. We can check out that, or we can also contact their live chat support. So if that helps you, you can click on yes, otherwise just click on no, and you can ask them to, and you can provide them your name, and once the representative is there then you can explain your problem. So here you can see, so here we need to explain our problem now, and we can just say them like, hey, please scan my complete cPanel. Okay, so they will scan the complete cPanel and the report will be generated in the file manager. So to view the report, just click on file manager, and here when you will scroll down, here you will see a file that is called scan report. Currently you don't see that because it's not available. So here is how it will show. So you can view the file and it will show all the malwares in your hosting, and then you can go and just delete them, and then you can ask them to rescan. And once you are sure that your website is all secure, then you can set up a strong security and change all of your passwords. So for that you can refer to the playlist that I shown you earlier. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. If you need my help, then you can go to my website. All of my contact details are provided in the description of the video. So that's it for this video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.